Hello, guys.
Sorry, it's been so long, peoples. But we just got something, a package. I know what's inside, but my friend here, Chris, who's an exclusive for this video, doesn't. Okay, let's see how big this actually was. I saw it.
Before we open it, make sure to like and subscribe. And we're going to have a part 2, how to make the, what do you say, aquarium.
Aquarium for what this is. I won't tell you.
On my channel, which is CHRISDNIOROCKS.
If we figure out how to do it, there might be a link in the description. There might be a link in the description, but don't trust on that. Okay, what do you think is inside this first?
I don't know.
Okay, let's open it then. Okay, opening.
And for suspense,
No, don't.
so they gotta watch video too.
Okay. Never mind. Sorry, never mind that, peoples. And let's see if it's actually what we were expecting.
It says it has something to do with an aquarium.
Yes, it's the thing. It's the thing. Look at this.
It's fake bugs.
Not fake bugs. These are from the Cambrian explosion. Well, 4 of them are from the Cambrian explosion. Let's take a look at what we got.
I'll open this one.
Wait, save the best for last. Keep the best for last. Anyway, one of the most famous ones.
Show the camera.
Trilobites. I didn't think they'd be this big.
Wow.
Anyway, the trilobite. Bring it closer, Mom. Just bring it closer. This is a pretty interesting arthropod. Lived during the Cambrian explosion. Most of these things do. But what Chris has here, along with this thing, doesn't.
Chris will open it.
Exactly.
Okay.
I can open it. No, I can open it. I'm opening it.
Good job.
Okay.
Which is
Caspalaspus.
Caspalaspus.
This fish.
It doesn't say Caspalaspus.
This is a hard-boned fish. One of the first complex ones, actually. Isn't that interesting, people?
I'll show the camera. Better look. So its head is black. It has these little.
That's
gold
not
things.
okay. Now for the next
And it has
one.
more gold things. Gold fins.
No, those are just that's the
This is
speculative
its
thing.
mouth.
It's a suction feeder. Anyway, time to open up this
And
one.
then we
Oh yeah! Oh,
The bug
that was
with
easy.
Purple head, 3 eyes.
Pterygotus. Sea scorpion. Look at the sea scorpion. Look at it.
Is it green? It's green.
It's pretty green.
I actually didn't know these
Okay, now this is the second best.
eyes.
Okay, let's hope this is good. They smell good, actually. Oh,
This
this
smells
one
like
smells.
nothing.
This smells good.
This
I don't
smells
remember.
like nothing. This also smells like
I don't remember.
nothing.
I don't remember the name of this one, but it's pretty cool. I mean, look at it. FYI, I think this one devolved into the tardigrades. Water bears?
FBI, I'm pretty sure it came from outer space.
No, these are actually the first multicellular organisms. Now, we've saved the best for last, and pretty much the coolest one, and also the reason why I got this whole thing. Anomalocaris.
Normal what?
Anomalocaris.
There's feet.
I don't think those are feet. Anyway, this was the world's first super predator, Anomalocaris. They dwarfed everything with their sheer size.
Eat these? No, it was these.
Stop. Turns out that these things ate almost everything. They ate trilobites. They even ate one of them was even as filter feeder. They ate everything. Oh, and full disclosure, most of these. And full disclosure, these two are probably actual size, and this one is shrunk down to just big enough to fit into graspers. Please stop with the Caspalaspis, Chris.
Okay. Wait, I want to show it to the camera. It needs to get better. So you see we have back here. Then we have this belly, and then we have head with
Stop.
bitey things.
You see, these are the appendages.
Yes, appendages. I knew that.
They have. You see, they move
Wings.
in wing. These move in wing-like motions like this.
Except they don't fly.
They glide in the water. Basically, they were about. They could grow about a meter long or something.
This one's my favorite.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, anyway. We just got this. Look for part 2 on the channel CHRISDNIOROCKS.
Dino rocks.
Oh, CHRISDNIOROCKS.
D-N-I-O. It's spelled D-N-I-O.
No, we'll just put on
I know, it's confusing. I'll probably... Okay, I'll put it in the description, okay? We'll put it in the description.
How do...
I'll put in my channel name in the description, okay?
Okay.
Because you probably won't know how to spell it. So yes,
I mean, look at this.
if you want to watch part... That is disgusting. If you want to watch part 2, then go to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.